I swear, it started like a normal afternoon. I was sitting on the couch, controller in my hand, this close to beating my level. Just one more move. One more second. Yes!
Stop right there.
I froze. Slowly, very slowly, I looked up. Mom, standing, arms crossed. Game over.
Before you touch any games, you both need to finish your chores.
I didn't even argue, because arguing, useless. Instead, I turned my head, very slowly, toward my brother. He was already looking at me. Same expression, same thought. This wasn't about chores anymore. This was about winning. Fine, I'll do the dishes.
Good choice.
What's that supposed to mean?
It means I'll sweep the floor way faster.
You? Fast? Please.
I'm faster than you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. We both paused. Then, at the same time, let's race. I ran to the kitchen, turned on the tap, grabbed the sponge. I whispered to myself, this is easy. Too easy. Plate, scrub. Cup, scrub. Spoon, scrub. I was moving fast, like really fast. I'm already ahead.
No, you're not.
I am.
You just started.
I'm just efficient. I smiled. Confidence level, 100%. Victory, guaranteed. Then suddenly, he appeared. Right next to me. Watching. Judging.
Why are you so slow?
I am not slow. Why are you here?
I finished my side.
What? No way.
Maybe you're just too slow.
I narrowed my eyes and said, show me. We walked to the living room. I looked at the floor. Are you serious?
What?
You call this clean?
It is clean.
You missed, like, everything.
I did not.
The corners.
Okay, maybe the corners.
Maybe?
Fine. I'll redo it.
You better. I ran back to the kitchen. I told myself, focus, no distractions. Plate, cup, bowl, fork. Water splashing everywhere. I wasn't even washing dishes. I was fighting for my reputation. Almost done!
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Stop lying.
I'm not lying. Finally, last plate. Scrub, rinse, done. I'm done!
I finished too.
Silence. We looked at each other. Wait, no. No. That doesn't count.
It counts.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
You cheated.
I did not cheat.
You rushed.
You're just slow.
You skipped parts.
You always say that.
We ran to Mom. At the same time. Talking over each other. Mom, I finished first.
No, I did.
He cheated.
She's lying.
Mom didn't say anything. She just looked at us. Then she sighed.
Did you fold the laundry?
The laundry?
We have laundry?
Mom didn't say a word. She just pointed. And there it was. A huge basket. Full of clothes. Oh no.
This is bad.
This is really bad. We looked at each other again. Same look. Same energy. Round 2. I'm taking the easy ones.
No way! That's not fair!
Life's not fair. We both sat down on the floor, folding like crazy. T-shirt, fold. Pants, fold. Towel.
Hey, that's mine!
You weren't even touching it.
I was about to.
I'm still faster.
In your dreams.
We kept going. Faster, messier, more aggressive. I'm winning.
You're not winning.
I am.
You're folding wrong.
There's no wrong way.
There is a wrong way.
Done.
No, you're not.
I am.
I don't believe you.
We both stood up, looked at the pile, looked at each other. Then, we slowly turned to Mom. She looked at the clothes, picked up a shirt.
You both lose.
What?
What?
You rushed. Do it again.
Silence. Pain. Suffering. I looked at my brother. He looked at me. This is your fault.
My fault? You started it.
No, you started it. And just like that, the chore war continued.